Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great buy with income earning possibilities or investment opportunity. This property, located on Church Street, KnockPatrick, Manchester, sits on 1 acre of land with two buildings. One incomplete and the second building is about 60% complete. Building 1 is a small house which consists of one bedroom with one bathroom, kitchen, living, dining, and veranda. Building 2 consists of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining room, washroom, and double garage. The property has a large water tank and plenty of land space for further additions. It is close to Northern Caribbean University, which makes this property a good investment with guaranteed income. Please call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican, 26 million or US $165.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.